I'm opening a good stress reliever store. Bad stress reliever. Hi. We're neighbors now. Is something wrong? What? The exam is tomorrow. I have to study for it. And read all these books. Is she actually studying for an exam? Lame! You can always make a cheat sheet. Squeeze out a stress-relieving ball and write the formula you need on it. Hey, Ashley! You need to chill. Oh, is that for me? Thanks. Is there a cheat sheet? LOL? That's funny. I'm actually studying here. Brenda, can I play with your squishy? Of course not. Fine. In that case, let's do a challenge. Let's see who can make a squishy faster. Take light clay. Okay, and shape it into an egg. Ha! Why do all that when you can use an actual egg and just paint it? Put the clay egg on a skewer and coat it with gel polish. Now we just have to dry it under a UV lamp. I made it! Done! How is your squishy doing, Brenda? I finished it a long time ago. Hang on. Let's swap first. Here's my squishy. My fingers love it. I'll try it too. What? Is that a real egg? Brenda? A stress reliever made out of straws. No, not black. I only need cute colors. We'll only use the bendy parts. Cut a straw, connect the ends, and make a ring. Now add pieces made from other straws. You won't get in, boring straw. Oh, black. It's my favorite color. I made a stylish necklace for myself out of straws. Can I have this chain? Here are my happy customers. A balloon is the best stress reliever. Stop ruining my hair, Brenda. I have more balloons. Oh, yeah! Brenda, why are you scaring me? Because it's fun. I'll show you fun. Fold the foam paper sheet in half. Trace white tape on it. Add a smaller circle. Draw triangular wings and paws at the bottom. Draw on details with a marker and trace the outline. Cover the piece with see-through tape. Cut out 2 pieces and a beak. Add a piece of double-sided tape where the beak is. Glue both halves together. Well, Brenda, isn't that annoying? Bye, duck! Why did you do that, Brenda?
Ew.
You shouldn't have touched my duck. Ashley, look what I have. Oh, candy! Share, share, share! I won't! It's all for me! Please, no! I'm really craving candy. At least one. Come on, Brenda. I came up with something too. Fill little balloons with liquid soap. Tie them off. Put in a bowl of water and add soap to it to make a lot of foam. Wash the balloons in foam for a few minutes and place the balloons on a napkin. Remove the excess foam. The final touch! Sprinkle the balloons with hairspray and glue them together. What do you have there? My candy is better anyway. So bubbles are the lightest stress reliever.
Oh.
Hey! Stop this bubble party! Come on, Ashley! Give me back the straws! Cut straws into small pieces. Glue them into diamond-shaped cones. Shape a flower. Glue it on a stick. Here's my magic flower for soap bubbles. Take it, Ashley! All these soap bubbles! Brenda! Stop blowing at me! Here are your bubbles! You're mean! You're always bugging me! I'm gonna show you something right now! This silicone pastry brush really needs eyes. Hot glue them on. Draw a mouth with a marker. Glue on a decoration. Here, look, I'm Bad Brenda! Oh yeah? Then this is a softie like you! Look at me! I'm sweet, boring Ashley! That's actually us! Like 2 peas in a pod! This baby is so cute and happy! And this is my twin! A list of my good deeds! Hey! Keep it down! My pen! I just asked you to keep it down! What? My straws! Staying calm is the key! I need a lot of straws! I'll just leave the bendy part. Glue a pen refill inside and join the straws. My beautiful stress-relieving pen is ready. Since Brenda can't hear me, I'll write her a message. Quiet, please. Uh-huh. You wish. Well, I'll borrow one of your pop tubes. What's up? Be quiet! Thanks. My bat plane is landing! Whoosh! Hello, my 4 followers! Due to popular demand, Ashley! Get out of my way! Well... Your plane is about to crash! Whoops! It's about to hit Storm Brenda! My plane! You destroyed it! Don't cry! Shh!
No.
Fine, I'll give your plane a new life. Bend a 3-inch square piece of black paper diagonally, and then bend it again along the other diagonal. Bend each corner into the square. Then fold the piece in half, one way and the other. Assemble the piece into a double square along the edges. Leave tips. Bend the pockets you got to make a rectangle. Copy on 2 sides. Bend the bottom edge like this. Mark out the bending line. Bend the inside corners. Open it up. And stretch out the side triangles. Join the sides so you get a heart. Unbend the free triangles so you get free edges. These will be the spikes. Bend the edges inside. Bend the side ends and stretch them out. Stretch out the edges of the central pyramid. Make a few origami spikes this way. Here, check out this beautiful bracelet with studs. It's for you. Really? Thank you. Wow! What a cute, tiny little water cooler! Yes, and I will drink from it. I also want one. Okay, I'll share with you. No, I want a black one. Fine. Here's a cute, tiny little evil cooler for you. Whoa! My dream came true! Our stress reliever store is finally calm. What is your favorite stress reliever?